Hello high heels lovers and welcome back to my channel. It's Ms.Killer Heels or Elena, your favorite high heels expert. I hope that you had a great week and a great month overall, that you took your vacation, you had some fun. Yeah, for me it was a challenging summer with all this transition that I told you in the previous videos, but that doesn't stop me to buy heels, right? Maybe I don't have a lot of furniture, but I have a lot of shoes boxes enough to build a wall, guys. So today I will present to you a new pair of heels, this time by Valentino Garavani. It's one of my favorite shoes designers, you know. It is a pair in black patent leather, very sexy, gorgeous, you will see that. So guys, if you're new here, please make sure you're subscribed and you hit the bell button so we always stay in touch and you get notification every time when I post a new video, and I do my best to post once a week. So guys, I will unbox those gorgeous heels for you. I will try them on, I will do a little walking, maybe I'll show a few options how to style them, and I will share a lot of details about the brand and the heels. I think that we have a plan. Let's get started with the unboxing.
Now let me open these gorgeous heels for you guys. They come with a dust bag, of course. Ta-da! So as most of you know, I really like pointed toe pumps. They're probably my always favorite style. These pumps have 10 cm covered stiletto heel, which is around 4 inches, that make them really comfortable and suitable for many occasions. The extremely feminine lines of style and a delicate slim ankle strap create the illusion of longer legs. With a chic and classy strappy design, these women's pumps are a smart choice that's well suited to both work and going out. This stiletto heel pump is crafted from a black patent leather and trimmed with a minimalist buckle that ensures your foot as you walk. I love their small windows exposing the toe cleavage. It's so charming, right? Their leather soles are the quintessential image of luxury shoes and comfortability. What more I can say? They are literally a piece of art. Now let me try them on while I'm sharing some details about the brand. Valentino is an Italian fashion house founded back in 1960 by Valentino Garavani and part of Valentino Fashion Group, which in turn is owned by the state of Qatar. Since its start, Valentino has been interpreting the essence of beauty. This Italian fashion house has established itself in quest for controlled sensuality as the symbol of Italian elegance with dolce vita overtones. To the world of haute couture, Valentino transmitted his passion for colors, the emblematic Valentino red, the legendary white collection, and his love of glamour. Inspired by Pier Paolo Piccioli, the Italian creations delicately designed the contemporary aura of a feminine universe with timeless grace. Someone would ask if Valentino Garavani is the same as Valentino. Valentino Clemente Ludovico Garavani, known as Valentino, is an Italian fashion designer, the founder of the Valentino brand and company. As a child, Valentino was interested in both fashion and art. His main lines include Valentino, Valentino Garavani, Valentino Roma, and Red Valentino. His style is described as jet set chic. It's classy and very, very elegant. Now let me do a little walk for you guys while I'm sharing a few more details for the brand. As I said, founded in Rome in 1960, Valentino Garavani has long been considered a shining example of the endless possibilities of Italian craftsmanship. Today the house equips women with shoes, bags, and leather goods that are both timeless and unquestionably modern. Recognized by iconic rockstud hardware and V logo embellishment, the brand produces unshamedly feminine design with a tough luxe edge. In the women's wardrobe, pleats, bows and lace evoke the retro glamour and discreet nobility of the Valentinian aesthetic. Valentino feathers eccentrically adorned Spartan sandals while the straps of a pair of pumps envelop the foot with finesse. Now I would like to present two styling options to you. I wanted to show you how the heels look with pantyhose. I think that the best option would be with a black pantyhose, that's my preference. I love this combination, it's so elegant and still sexy. The second combination is with a pair of nude pantyhose, just for a comparison. Let me know what do you think of these two looks and which is your favorite. I bought the heels from one Italian online fashion retailer called Yox on a really good price. You can check their website. The details could be found in the description of this video below. Mine are 35.5 European size or 5.5 US size. So overall, I really love how they look on my feet, and indeed they're comfortable and still super beautiful. I like their simple, classy lines and their edgy vibes too.
So guys, that was all for today. I hope that you are enjoying my video, that you like my new pair of heels. If that's the case, please give me big thumbs up, and yeah, let me know your thoughts in the commentary section below. I also would like to encourage you to follow me on Instagram and on my other platforms. Let's be friends, don't be shy. So guys, yeah, it was all for today. It's time for me to say bye to you. Till the next time, the girl who doesn't have any furniture but has shoes, right? Has enough pairs of shoes. Elena or Ms.Killer heels. Kisses, besos, baci, kuse. I love you guys. Bye.